This is the video to help you prepare for your drill press safety test. First thing we'll do is the names of the parts. We have the base of the drill press, supports it, keeps it stable. This bar in the back, the beam coming up through, is the vertical guide post. There's a table that you set your parts that you're drilling on to support them. There's a table height adjustment in the back, can be loosened, and the table raised and lowered. We have the drill chuck that you clamp the drill bits in. In order to get that to adjust, we store the chuck key in the hole here in the top of the drill press, the housing. Slides into the chuck and gives you the opportunity to rotate and tighten it up on the drill bits. This needs to be removed and placed back in its holder before we ever start the drill press. Otherwise it goes flying out and can hurt somebody. The three back handles are the feed wheel. That allows you to lower the drill bit into the material to do the drilling. There's a gauge on the side if you need to set it for a predetermined depth. Very seldom will we use it, but it is something that can be used for manufacturing. We have the on-off switch, start-stop switch in the front. Push button. And stop. There's a speed. We can adjust the speed on the drill. This speed adjusting wheel on the side is how we do that. There's a gauge on the front telling you how fast the drill bit is rotating. We never change the speeds unless the drill press is running. On. Slower. We put some oil up here for cutting to help the drill bit stay cool, it lasts longer, and prolongs the life of the drill bit. Face shield we hang here on the feed wheel to help protect you from any flying debris while you're drilling. There's a dustpan and a broom to clean up the shavings in the back. Do not use a shop rag. Those metal filings will get stuck in the rag and then potentially could cut the person that's using the rags after you get done with it. So brush them off into the dustpan and into the garbage they go, or scrap metal pile. There's a drill vise that we use to hold small work. It'll open up. Anything that's pretty small, 3-4 inches or shorter, needs to be clamped. Do not hold it in your hand while you're drilling it. That drill bit will grab onto it and rotate it and tear your skin up. You could use vice grips and place the object on a wooden block to support it as you drill down through the wood. This drill bit should be lined up with the hole in the table so that you don't drill more holes. You can see people have done that by accident. The back of the drill press is where the motor is to operate the drill press. Inside will be the belts to drive it and the pulleys. They're all covered up by the safety cover, so you keep your hands and fingers out of the rotating pulleys. So I have a few more safety things that we'll need to know to make sure you operate this safely. One is, if we're drilling with the drill bit here and a long piece of metal or material, whatever we're drilling, and it extends out away from the drill press very far, place it to the left of your body. So I'm going to stand here, place it so as it rotates, it's going to move away from your body and not over into your leg. So put it on the left of your body. As you can see, it rotates clockwise when looking down from above. So everything's going to move to your left as you stand facing the drill press. Very important. It'll also rotate around and hit the vertical guidepost back here to stop it from rotating and not let it come all the way around and hit you. The other thing is, we want to keep all necklace, jewelry, long strings coming out of sweated hood shirts, earbuds, any cords, wires, that type of thing from hanging out to where this could, Chuck could get a hold of it and wrap it up. Long hair needs to be pulled back, tied back. Anything that could possibly dangle out in around where the rotating drill bit, drill chuck, whatever's rotating, it's going to get a chance to grab a hold of that and draw you in. Another thing I'd like to mention is when you're drilling and you're just about through the material with the drill bit and it's about to go out the back side, a lot of times it will catch. So you want to be careful, let up on your pressure that you're putting on the feed wheel and ease through that last little bit of the material, and it'll be less likely to grab and try to rotate, pull it out of your hands, or try to pull it out of the drill vise before it drills all the way through. How do we figure out the speed? The speed with which we're going to set the drill press is determined by taking the number 360, as in 360 degrees in a circle, and you divide that by the diameter of the drill bit. So for example, if we have a 1/2 inch drill bit, we'll take 360, divide that by 1/2 inch, or 0.5, which is the same as doubling the amount or inverting the fraction, 2/1, so it would be 360 times 2, divide that by 1, for a total of 720 RPMs. Then we'll start the drill press and change the speed to 720, so it'd be right in this range here for a 1/2 inch drill bit. So that's how you determine the speed. That prolongs the life of the drill bit as well, just like the oil helps to do. So you will need to adjust the speed periodically depending on what size of the drill bit you're using and which one the last person that used the drill press was using. Alright, we've given you a basic understanding of the safe operation of the drill press. See Mr. Sitton to take the test for the drill press so that you'll be able to use it safely. Good luck on that test.